So here's how this memory game works. Let me see if I can remember. We're going to see some graphics on the screen. Okay, we have 20 seconds to memorize what we see and how well we can recite afterwards what we actually see. But first, we have this bag, and we're to feel in there and memorize the items. So
memorize our list.
Memorize and then list. Oh, so she should tell me when?
Have 20 seconds.
How will you put things in this?
A bag of things. It's a bag of things.
Alright. I forget half it already. Okay. So I must start writing or wait till Simone finish?
Is that my time done? What I just started? I don't remember nothing inside there, Benji.
My time again? Oh, we're going to feel in there several times? After I finish right, I must go back in the bag.
You can't
but
say
she
it
have to
until I
write
finish
first.
writing,
Simone have to
Benji.
finish. No, Simone have to say first. Then me go say what me say while Simone write.
That doesn't make sense. Just give us time to finish writing.
When she finish? I don't remember nothing more of me feeling there.
You finish?
Me finish a long time. It's oh lie. Yeah. Yeah, because I feel it, but I don't remember I don't know what I'm feeling. So I have to just put something. So ready? We turn them around. Ready, Mama?
No, but guys, ready. Okay.
All right. So I felt a rubber ball, which, yes.
Yeah.
A watch, yes. Oh, that's Simone. Ball, coins.
A bottle of glue.
All right, so let me see for it. Yes, Sima. You can tell Mama in a bottle
I
of
buy
glue.
lots of those in the supermarket
Yes,
pharmacy.
the ball.
Was there a pencil or a pen in there?
Pencil.
Okay.
And what else?
A watch.
Oh, yeah, me just remember that's something else.
And I felt the inside of the bag. Does that count?
No.
Why?
So 1, 2, 3, and coins.
Was there a bag of coins in there, like a plastic bag with coins in there?
Yes.
Okay.
Cool. I had the watch as well.
Oh, what? Bangle? Oh. Harrison or fashion.
Well, me never. Oh yes, lotion. Me feel the lotion. What else I have, Benji?
What's an I-O?
Keys. Were keys in there? No.
No.
No keys. I thought it was an ID.
Oh.
I felt this. The top of it kind of felt like an ID. No ID.
So this is what, a bracelet?
I don't know what we call it. One of them I feel and
Don't
think
drive?
an ID. So there was no ID.
So there's a...
No keys.
I don't know how anybody would have guessed what this is in
A rubber ball.
2019.
The rubber ball, for sure.
Oh man, I forgot the lollipop. I felt this lollipop, you know.
Is there tape in it?
There is tape.
And tape.
And there is a smuggle.
I forgot the hair clip. That's what I didn't remember. I know I felt that, but
it?
yeah.
And a jump drive.
Well, I never feel. I think the jump drive was like an ID.
And a bag of marble.
No, I never have the marble.
Okay.
So yeah.
Shows you how well our brains are clocking
Never bad.
in the morning here. Is that it? Oh, I forgot again?
Not bad.
Jesus. This is what you call. Hold on, don't take it down, wait no man.
Wait, no, we are rub off this.
Wait no man. Jeez, wait, Kerry, I haven't looked at that yet. Hold on.
Take it off.
Jesus.
All right, we look. Go. What? That's all over the place. I can't remember the first word. I can't remember them now. I'm going to 3 words, remember. Jojo. Cause them jumble all over the place.
It's early, you know.
Them jumble all over the place. I'm going to Jojo, see there? 4 words, remember. A 4 words, remember. And one of them, I never know everything there. Wait, so we're going to break? I'm going to 4 words, remember. Cause them all over the place. See there?
Yeah.
I only have masterpiece, which you have.
Yeah.
A paint, which you have. Always. And every.
Were these words that I wrote even on it? The additional one?
Yes, compose was there.
Okay. I think what I did was I made like phrases out of the
Them I just say it a while ago,
balance
masterpiece.
above,
Every.
original, balance.
Always.
Jeez, should never
And
have
paint.
forgotten that one. Balance.
Paint. Always.
Draw. Okay.
Compose is there. And loom is there. Again. What now?
Oh, there's another one?
Fruits.
Wait. Don't put it up yet, please, Kerry. Feel like I'm back into school.
No, I don't feel like I'm back into school. Nah, grade, so I not tell myself. If there was a grade, then I'd be like, oh my God, I have to remember this. What is
And I'm back, put the cup, drink!
What are we doing with this? But some of them look the same, don't they?
This is true.
Oh, we're to do it now? Then take you off now, Benji. All right, left it up there. What minute say a while ago, Marvin? What else something your name again?
This feel like pep.
None of that. Me I try to remember. You finish? We finish? Oh.
I didn't want to put panganat on it, but you
That's
know,
just
say,
something
really
I
need it.
remember.
All right. Honesty.
Salsa, banana, melon, apple, pear, coconut, guava, orange, peach.
You did well with this one, Dales. You like fruits?
No. There are just so many fruits in the world, so if you just write down the names of fruits, you can't.
That was my strategy. see, watermelon, lemon, strawberry. One more? Jesus,
if you just write down the name of fruits.
Let time reach work this morning, me sharp. Brain of fire. Okay. My word. Okay, bring it on, miss.
Lord. Carrie, next time I go to this, make sure I get some coffee. Oh, me can't see this. What are we looking at?
Animals?
I need my glasses.
Right for drop.
I need my glasses. Stop. Hello, thief. Someone at thief. I look what your thief went to now. Lord have mercy. Okay, so I saw lions, I saw tigers.
And bears.
I think I saw a cheetah. I saw an elephant. There was a horse. There was a deer. I saw a deer. I saw a bear. I saw a zebra, a butterfly, and some kind of bird.
You didn't see no dog?
I didn't see a dog.
You sure you were not a dog?
I didn't see a dog. That I know I didn't see a dog. Did you see a dog? I couldn't make out the bottom one, then I don't have my glasses.
It was just a guess, Dale, to try and catch up my list.
Yeah, I couldn't see the bottom one then. Oh, how did I forget the penguins? And it's the first image I see now. All right.
I'm not doing no more work for you.
We're gonna take
the strike, you know.
Gonna take a break. I'm sure Kyle Pratt remembered everything.
Don't it?
He probably saw it and said, "How did they see this? Did they see that?" We're gonna meet someone who probably has much better memory than us when we return from the break. So stay with us.
To be calling.